Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to do the pre-market analysis or weekly outlook for this week. This is from April 6th to April 10th. So this is the weekly outlook for this week based on EMT basis. So this is a balance. 5 days, remember, 5 days compositive and 13 days compositive volume profile. This is a low volume node. This is something like a ledge right here. And in the 17.5, 17.6, 17.7, around that zone, we have a huge balance high. Let's see this drop of volume right here. This is the change from the volume, a high volume node to low volume node. A balance is an amount of high volume nodes in an area. Something like this. Something like this. Let's go. This could be another balance too. Here, from here to here, right? This could be some levels too, but what we have to be aware is this: we rejected this balance high of 13 days and 5 days compositive volume profile, this balance high with a single print on the TPO chart or market profile. We saw a single print fillet right here. See this? And the balance high 13 days and 5 days right here. 17.7, and we saw a huge rejection there. Prior balance from 625 to 600, correct? Balance low and balance high. So we had a huge movement below it. We could see a prior balance rejection, that could be in higher time balancing, breakout, contraction or pullback, and follow bearish bias until maybe 515, 515, 517, 516.7 here. That is a spike in the volume, 5 days and 13 days composite volume profile. And if we saw a huge acceptation below here, from the upside to the downside, we could see or expect moves to this naked POC of the TPO. Remember, this balance is very important, specifically right here. Because it was the change from bearish momentum, right, to bullish momentum. See this is a balance. See this huge movement, and then we go immediately up from this level. Immediately we went up. to this balance low and balance high, or yeah, a balance zone. Balancing action, rejecting higher prices in the balance high, rejecting lower prices in the balance low, until the new week opening up or the open of the Sunday, we break the level, yeah, but we didn't break this level. We didn't break it. It's a fact. So the most probability right now is wait for the VWAP and this level, this balance, high, because this huge range is called like a low volume, right? See this balance high, balance low, and the 13 days compositive, same shit. A drop off of volume, yeah, drop off of volume. We rejected this. The most probability scenario right now is for launch, maybe until 600. Yep, in 600, see in the 13 minutes time frame, these rejections in the same area that could be a resistance area for shorts in the prior balance. But another scenario that we could see, and I would like to see that, it's for bullish. For bullish, we go up above 600, maybe until 610, a breakout of this area, an acceptation, creating volume, and it's spending a lot of time, and go back to this balance low for longs. This could be a setup that is called something like failed action, yeah, because this is a balance, we break it, but we failed to accept lower prices in this balance high of the 13 days and 5 days compositive volume profile, and this could be what protected low. See the structure in the TPO, previous TPO. A strong structure have or has these tails, right? Open low, boom, we go up immediately. This is a strong bias, yeah, or a strong movement without it spending even time creating value here, right? We could see it, maybe we could see it better in volume profile. Also here, yeah, this is low volume, high volume, a P shape. We rejected this area, and I would like to see strong buys. This is not a weak structure for shorts, right? Because of these highs, yeah. See this? This is not a good drop off of volume in the TPO chart. In the TPO chart, in the volume profile chart, sorry. So I will not like to see this as a high, a protected high. I would like to see this like a protected high, because this is not a lot of volume. This is not good volume for go there. Yeah. So I would like to see higher prices above this level, 593, something like that, accepting lower prices, wait for pullback for longs until 610 and see what happens, right? But if we accept above 600, we will be accepting above this value area low of this daily volume profile in day-to-day basis, and the POC, naked POC in this moment, but it doesn't matter really to me. And if we take volume profile, um, let me left. Yeah, see this low volume note around 16 is the 600. It's the beginning in this resistance zone support previously, right? But I would like to break that level and go up. Maybe until 6, 7, yeah, something like here, around here, or the other scenario that I repeat, I would not like to see that is shorts is 600 and shorts until maybe 520s, but I repeat, I would not like to see that. I only would like to see longs this week. Relative equal highs or poor highs right here, and this is not a good structure for shorts. If we implement the price action and ticks, sorry, volume, you can say it. See this relative equal highs, poor highs, and this is a good structure for longs. Yeah, a strong structure for longs. And yeah, that's all. I hope you are doing well. Good luck and see you guys.